So we have Bella. She's a robot, and we use her for delivering of our food service. So at the moment, we still have all the interaction of our team. So our team will still greet you at the waiter service station and obviously take your order at the table. What Bella does is assist in that service. So we have the staff doing more interactions with the guests rather than running to and from the kitchen.
First of all, why? Why was the thought to bring a robot into your kitchen?
So what happened was my managing director went on holiday and he went to a restaurant where another Bella was actually being used, and he just thought it was just such a nice USP. So he asked questions about it and if it worked for them, and it did. So that's when we made the inquiries and we decided to buy Bella. But we've also got another one on order. So in all, we've spent around £20,000 invested in the 2 robots.
Wow, we've seen Bella in action already today. She's an impressive bit of kit.
Yes, she is. She interacts with the guests. She can sing happy birthday. We can put information on the back of her display. So enjoy your meal. And it also tells you the table number. If you touch her, she interacts. She likes to be touched, and also she winks and blinks. So yeah, she's fully interactive with the guests. People are so wanting to take photographs, taking videos, putting it on social media. So yeah, with also our interactions, what we've had, we had some special guests that came down last week, the Mousers, which was on our social media. So yeah, people are just wanting to have a photograph of Bella. She's a like member of the team. She has her own clock in and clock out system. She works 7 days a week, and she's also, people want to be served by her. So we had a guest call up last week and asked her if she was working, and we said yes, she was. So yeah, people are wanting to come and see and how it works.
And in terms of how the logistics of it works, so she's in the kitchen and she makes her own route around. I have to ask that question because if I was asking it out, why does she not bang into tables? Why does she not clash with people?
So when we had her the first day of installation, what she does is she maps out the whole room, so she knows where all the tables are. So she would never bump into a table unless obviously we move one of the tables. So she knows exactly where everything's laid out. She's smooth running. So yeah, so she goes straight from the kitchen, which is always a starting point, come into the dining area and then go back straight into the kitchen. We're a 4-star hotel, so we're always trying to do something different and be different to everybody else. And I'd like to say that we would be only the hotel within like 70 miles radius that probably have got one. So we just like to stand out from the crowd. We are a go-to destination hotel. We are not just a restaurant, or nor are we just a hotel. We have spa, we have restaurant, we have bars, we have function facilities, weddings, proms. So yeah, and we also have the Your Lodge outside, which is also another dining area that people like to try something different. People come here to have an experience rather than just come here and have one or the other.
With something like this, there may be a feeling of job loss, but it's important to stress that that's not the case.
No, that's not the case at all. All we're doing is enhancing the customer experience. So the less handling of plates is also a hygiene point of view, especially in this current climate. When delivering the food to the table, it's if you're having a large party, you're getting all the food at the same time. So it's all about the service, not reducing the members of staff.
In terms of the hotel, I know you mentioned it again briefly in one of your answers, but the hotel is busy. It offers lots of things. Can you give us just an insight into what the hotel does?
So we've got obviously the accommodation side of the hotel with the different arrangements of rooms and suites. We have the spa as well, which is upstairs. We have a gymnasium. On site, we do currently have the Orangery restaurant. We also have the Your Lodge restaurant as well, which is currently open. But we also are open to functions, weddings, proms, christenings. So yeah, and we're really busy on the corporate as well at the moment, which obviously that's transitioned from the COVID. So yeah, we're getting a lot more of the corporate clientele back in, which is great.
My final question is a simple one then, whether it's with Bella or for the facilities and accommodation that you have available, what would you say to anyone who's thinking about coming in, seeing Bella, or what you have available?
Oh, come in and see Bella, enjoy the experience. Yeah, I think it's just something to say that I've been served by a robot. It's just something unique.